We are learning about our environment. So we are exploring ponds, looking at the water. We're doing a scavenger hunt. We're meeting with some representatives from the board here and just learning more about the area around our school.
So we're at the Muskegon Lake Nature Preserve out here with two classrooms from Central Elementary. They are Discovery Kindergarten groups. They are entering a unit around ponds and frogs, turtles, and coral reef systems. So they came out to the preserve today to do a scavenger hunt. They are listening to Tom and Steve, who are board members for the Muskegon Lake Nature Preserve, about what this 17-acre parcel used to be and how it is now a protected nature preserve. They will also be doing pond study, digging for macroinvertebrates, and trying to see what is in the waterways here along Muskegon Lake.
This place was created for the kids. It's an old dump site that was turned into a nature area for kids to come and learn about the environment. It's kind of morphed into a nature preserve now. That's what 25 years of evolution has done, but it's a lot of work, and it's worth it when you see the kids out here running around. That's what makes all the hard work worthwhile.
This is important to connect to the community. This is right within distance to Central Elementary School. It gets the kids out here. There was parents that were here that were talking about how they had no idea that this site, and they've lived in Muskegon their whole life, that it used to be a dumping ground for tires and concrete and other odd and end things, and now it's a protected nature preserve. But to get kids out in the community, out in the environment, and appreciating their surroundings.
They really remember what they're learning when their hands are involved and when they're engaged. It just takes learning deeper. It gets them excited, and they really connect to what we're learning too.
Well, it brings more students out here. Some of our volunteers are our teachers from Reeths Puffer or the ISD. They're on our education committee to plan events, to plan classes that we can do here, or what we can do to help the teachers when they're out here with the kids. So for me, it's exciting being to work with the kids. I was never a teacher, but like I say, it makes all the hard work worthwhile.
Reeths Puffer is very much into 3P learning with kids, having them inquire not just within the classroom, but out in their community and living spaces about how they can better their local community, as well as hopefully someday come back to their community and work in their community. And so it's great to have Reeths Puffer District as a local collaborator alongside of us.
Just seeing their smiles, I mean, a lot of families don't even know this is 5 minutes from our school, so just knowing what's around us and getting them involved in their learning and that hands-on stuff is really powerful.